how to find contacts in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find contacts in Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find contacts on Messenger, it's actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Messenger application here. And once you launch the Messenger app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is tap the three lines option located at the top left and then tap the gear icon that you can find here to come to this page, where what you need to do is just scroll down and select see more in account center button. Once you tap this little account center option, go to your information and permissions, and then over here you can see upload contacts, so make sure to tap on it, and then here just select your Facebook or even your Messenger account and make sure that these options are enabled. Here you can select Messenger and select upload contacts and make sure to turn it on first of all. Now once you've done that, if you want to find the contacts, you simply want to come to this page, tap the search button here, and then you'll be able to see a list of suggested people, and these suggested people are simply being suggested from your contact list. Or you can also just come to the people's tab over here, and then you can tap this contacts icon in order to find all of those contacts on Messenger. This way you'll be able to find contacts on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.